this is Joby May. Hello guys, so we bought this yesterday guys. Roasted suckling baby lamb. Yes, 1/4 siya guys. And luto na din siya. Ang gawin ko lang is I will heat it in the oven. Yes. So let's see what's inside. May potatoes na din siya. Select you, chef. Alta Cocina into Casa. So let's see. Ta-da! So we have to heat this in the... Yes, this is the potato.
Are you going to cook all of this?
Yes, no? Yes.
Good.
No?
Yeah.
And this is the lamb. So here is our lamb guys. Ayan. And also our potatoes. Nilagay ko na din lang na ganyan. And let's heat it up. Looks so good and so tender. Yes. Yummers. Yummy, yummy. Hello everyone, so this is the Spanish typical soup. So lagay na natin yung soup dito and then we are going to cook the pasta. Let's eat everyone! Kain tayo! Yes, this is our appetizer. Lakota, say hi! Hi! Yes, yes.
Zona, zapping, binga.
And daddy. Wow, let's eat. Everyone, let's eat, let's eat. Good appetite. Enjoy. Very good. And it's me. Let's eat, guys. This is our first plate, everyone. We just finished our appetizer and now we are eating our first plate. And this is the typical Spanish soup. Yes, on Christmas Day. This is our second plate. This is the baby roasted lamb and potatoes.
No, quan estem tots en família, pop chef o alguna cosa així. Aquestes que super niños i per vosaltres.
Let's eat, everyone. So only hubby and I are going to eat this, guys, because the kids are so full. They ate appetizers and also the first plate, which is the soup. So they are full. Yes. Si Hailey, she ate everything, but she left a little bit of soup. And Lakota, she ate everything. Yes. That is why they are so full and they couldn't more, and they are eating ice cream now. Look. In a very cold day, they are eating ice cream.
I'm going to watch Titan.
And they're going to watch Titan. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 26th
Of September.
of December. 26th of December 2020, and in Catalonia we are going to celebrate the San Esteve. They call it San Esteve. So another food to share, guys. Yes, and today's menu I am going to cook chicken, stuffed chicken, everyone. Yes, guys, so I'm going to cook that stuffed chicken, and then I will think what will I cook. Maybe vegetable for the first plate, something like that. Yes, guys, so I'm going to cook that one. And yeah, I forgot, guys, I supposed to cook yesterday the chicken because it's easier to cut when it's cold, but then I forgot to take out from the freezer. So yesterday evening I took it out, and now I'm going to cook. Actually, we just woke up very late. It's 11:15 because last 24th night we went to bed so late, and then yesterday night I edited a video and I uploaded that video because it's been a long time that I didn't upload a video, so I uploaded that one. We haven't eaten our breakfast yet. I will give the kids breakfast, and then I will fry also the chicken. I will show you guys the chicken that I am telling you. So here's the chicken, guys. I defroze yesterday evening, so it's soft already, and now I'm going to fry it. Yes, fry, make it brown a little bit, and then I will make the sauce as well. Okay, guys, our frying pan is hot already, and our chicken is ready too. So ayan na siya, guys. Here is our whole chicken. Malaki siya, guys. I don't know kung ilang kilo. 3 yata. So this chicken, guys, is boneless, and inside this is a whole chicken, and it's boneless, everyone. So inside I asked the butcher to put ham and cheese. So that's what are the things inside, guys. So ang gawin natin is let's fry it. Yes, ganyan, guys. Let's make it brown. Ganyan. Let's make it brown. Okay, guys, so here are the ingredients for our chicken. So this is dried prawns. So we are going to put this later, the last one. And yeah, we're going to peel these 3 carrots, 1 onion, 1 medium or big onion, and 4 of these leeks. So igisa lang natin, guys, hanggang sa maluto siya, and then we are going to pour white wine and then blend all together. So yun yung pinaka-sauce niya. I will peel and cut all of this, and then let's saute. See, but you have to be careful that way. Alright, so let's saute, guys. Let's remove everyone. It's so heavy. And now let's saute, guys, the onions and leeks. The onion and leeks. Now carrots. Let's put wine, guys. Salt and let's put the chicken. Hi.
Mira, mira, mira. Hola. No puede cambiar la cara, pero Luis mira que para allá, ¿eh?
Sí.
Es que
Wow. Open it, Lakota. Open it.
¡Wow! Abrimlo, abrimlo.
Obra, obra.
Wow. Open it, darling. That is from Molve. Oh, kesa siya, Hailey. River crossing. Wow. Parjuga.
Está bien, ¿no?
Ala! Ala!
Del Pau de...
Ala! Que chuli, no?
Rolando bacacha, ¿no? ¿Lo contó?
Está contenta.
¿Te ha dado yo? No, aquí hay mucho. Mira, hey, qué delicia.
Muy bueno. Esta boqueta es Victoria Sport, lindo, ¿eh? Potente.
Concentrat. Está concentrat un
Sí.
lado. Wow! ¿Qué es eso, Heidi? Wow! Que chuli.
Aviam, aviam.
Oh, antic, wow.
Ah, molt bé. Està bonic.
No havia vist
Està molt bé.
Y pantalón.
Sí. No, yo.
I'm wearing this.
Uy. ¿Qué es lo pasó aquí? ¡Hola!
Wow! Miren, miren aquí. Miren. Wow!
Caray, qué
chuli,
bien, ¿no?
wow! Muy bien. Wow!
Aviam, mira, aviam. Mira.
Vols obrir? Sí? Vol obrir.
Molt bé. Estan guapes. Molt bé. Aquest
La
de
cota.
la cota. La cota. Mira.
Wow, un llibre.
Meu. És així.
Molt bé.
Aviam.
Molt bé.
Mira,
Saps com va tu això, Bono?
Eh?
Saps com va?
No. No.
Tres.
Mira,
León.
una màquina de fotos per fer fotos per sota l'aigua.
Wow, really?
Hola, nena.
Que guai. Hola,
Mira,
nena.
la cota, una màquina de fotos. Hola.
La brada i a rosa.
Mira. Sí. Mira, la cota.
La cota.
Una
Molt
màquina.
bé, se ho ve la carregar per això, no?
Segurament, no?
Sí.
Gràcies,
De res, guapa.
Gràcies, Bobo.
Gràcies. Wow.
Doncs a mi.
Molt bé.
Sí.
Wow.
¿Por qué?
Earring.
Mira,
Oh.
i això per una xenta, però vull dir...
Lidong.
Aquí, què és això?
Agenda. Aquest.
Avi, Carlos, oh, mira, aquest sóc jo. Gràcies. Hola, que bé. Molt bé, m'agrada molt.
Sí?
M'agrada molt, sí.
Mira,
M'agrada
este
molt.
Muy
es
bien.
Pau.
Ai, què és
Eh?
això?
En el Pau.
Ah, sí? Ah, molt bé. Ja li portaré.
La cota vas tu primer bebé.
Wow, nenes. Wow.
T'has de punxar amb un dit amb
Sí,
un
però per això deu ser per les aduanes. Perquè no passin droga.
La cosa al loco.
Que realment sí que ho que
Al bebé que está
Bueno,
aquí
sí,
llorando.
Okay guys, so I am peeling the pineapple because we're going to eat that for dinner because we ate a lot for lunch, so we will eat just fruit for tonight.
Your majesty.
Your Majesty.
Yes. I'm allergic with the pineapple.
So, eto na guys. Let's eat.